In this particular laundry room, we don't have a ton of space in this display. So what we did is we did more of a compact washer and dryer, stacked them on top of each other so we could get a little bit more space in this room, so we could have a nice folding counter here, along with some hanging above there. I think in laundry rooms, it all depends on what kind of space you have. Like, we can design it so we can maximize your washer and dryer storage and laundry storage. What I mean by laundry storage is like for like dirty clothes or clean clothes, we have baskets here, but we can also arrange it so we can have pull out dirty clothes baskets so nothing's on the floor. And then we can make sure that the cabinets are deep enough that you can put like above, and like this one, we would be able to put our, laundry detergent and things like that. So it makes it very easy for the more compact stackable washer and dryers. Now we can do this also too with normal front load washer and dryers, where we can stack them and maximize your space to give you more folding counter space and more area just to keep things more nice and tidy, so the laundry room doesn't feel like it's just laundry and you hate going in there. So another thing we like to do in laundry rooms when we have front load washer and dryers similar to this is we can actually build them underneath the countertop. So it would have a folding counter over top of that area. And that is another way to maximize your laundry room space. When you're ready to get started with your laundry room, why don't you give us a call here at LJ's Kitchens, and we would love to come out and take a look at it and see what we can come up with that maximizes your laundry room space.